Good girl. Look at you. This is Emily getting used to cottage cheese. I'm not sure if she likes it or not. This is also Emily giving herself cottage cheese. I'm missing her face. Can I have the spoon? Thank you. Let's get you a little more. Some of it's on your face. Oh, some of it's on you. Oh, my sweetie. Mmm. Is that yummy? She puts it in the other hand to give it to me. Yeah. One more? Here you go. I love that. She's getting a little bit bigger every day. Thank you. You're a sweetie. Love you, bye. No bye-bye? Not this time? Ah, thank you.